What is up, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm with the boys. We're gonna be making a trip down to Big Bear. I've never been wheeling in Big Bear. Griffin has, and he says it's really fun. So it's only gonna be 3 of us today, but we plan on having a bigger group sometime in the near future. But yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. So we just got done with one of the smaller trails, and we stopped by like the little convenience store to grab like snacks and drinks and stuff. And the coolest thing just happened to me. So I'm about 2 hours away from home, and some guy like waves me down as we're driving away. And I'm like, what the heck? Like, what's wrong? So I roll my window down. He looks at me. He's like, dude, like, I've seen your YouTube videos. And I was like, really? And he's like, yeah, you were up on Cleghorn, and that's one of the last videos I uploaded off-roading. And then he saw Garret's car, the Amigo, and he's like, oh, no way, there's your friend, the one that you go wheeling with. And I was like, yeah, dude. So then he's like, oh man, like, I wish I had my phone on me, like that way we can take like each other's info down. And I was like, oh, well, I have my phone, what's your Facebook? You know, like, I'll add you on Facebook and we can go wheeling. And he's like, yeah, man, that's awesome. He's like, I have a Pathfinder as well, mine's a 97. And then we just talked for a little bit, and like, it was super cool. Like, never did I expect for this to happen, at least not this soon into me uploading videos. And I mean, it was just an awesome feeling, you know. It was super cool. Just wanted to share that with you guys. We're currently on another trail. The first one was more like kind of just like a fire road, had like really no offshoots, but this one is supposed to be a little more technical. There's a lot of people out here on bikes, hiking, so we're going slow, not going crazy. But yeah, we're gonna see how this one turns out. You guys are absolutely legendary. I couldn't imagine riding a bike up this shit. Yeah, he said that there's bikes coming up, and
I'm sweating just thinking about it. I'm sweating driving my car.
I hope you guys can hear that in the video because it was funny. But yeah, I mean, we'll see how this trail turns out.
Pants with the bra.
Alright, if you fall, I have it all on video.
Sick. I'll take pictures.
New profile pic, what's up?
Oh, okay, this is a really sweet angle though.
The things you do for the pictures for the gram. Little riverbed. Pretty cool.
I feel like someone should film this. Oh, yep. Covered.
It's like a perfect next book.
Wow, that was actually incredibly successful. The rope is just the right length.
Yeah, we were just saying that. So they're climbing down because there's a bunch of trash down there, and they're just gonna try to pick it up, try to keep the trail clean. Let's see if we can see this side.
You know, I realized I forgot a critical part of this.
He's behind the tree, so we can't see him. But yeah, they're down there. So we found some snow and Garrett's over here driving his car to it.
Maybe I'm not gonna make a snow angel. There are so many bugs in the snow.
Alright, that's nice. Are you stuck?
I really thought I'd get through it.
I can feel the whole floor vibrate.
Wow. You guys want to like hold me or something?
No? I'm just kidding.
I've got a come along winch back. I can't believe I got myself stuck, fucking idiot. Like really stuck. Holy shit.
If we just dig right there.
It was arguably like kind of on purpose, but I didn't think it actually happened. Those open diffs, I swear. Were you recording that?
Not the whole time.
Oh.
So Garret just got in trouble. So now we're gonna show sticks. Oh snap, there's a lot of snow.
Oh, the whole car is back. Buy you lunch or something?
No. You could promise me not to do this stupid shit though.
I give you my word, my guy. This is embarrassing. Sweet. Oh yeah.
Careful with your face.
We'll walk into the snow next time.
So that guy was a park ranger and he wasn't very happy with
within 20
Garret
feet of the trail, so we're just gonna
going off the main road, I guess, and then he got stuck and then he had to dig him out. So he wasn't very happy with us. So the trail dropped us off at a campground. I guess Garrett's been here before when he was little. But yeah, the little cabins right there that you saw like all along the road are for, I'm pretty sure they're for you to rent out during like the winter or even during the summer, I think, if you want to just camp out for the weekend or whatever. But I'm not sure if we're gonna hit another trail, but I'll keep you guys updated. So we're on a third trail now. This one seems to be more technical than the last. We saw a lot of really cool rigs, like rock crawler, like chop beds, like tube frame trucks. So that's how you know it's probably gonna be a good one, but we'll see. Garrett's gonna jump the Amigo. I caught air. Oh my god. Well guys, it's gonna conclude today's video. We are now airing up. You guys can see everybody's got their own compressors. Like always, had a blast. Super fun time with both Garret and Griffin. Griffin had been the only one to have come to Big Bear. This was mine and Garrett's first time, and I will say it wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. It was more of like a scenic route. But yeah, I mean, overall, it was still a really fun day of wheeling. What'd you think of Big Bear, Garret?
What up?
What'd you think of Big Bear?
Pretty fucking sick. Can't wait to come back.
What'd you like better, Clear Corner or Big Bear?
Oh, Big Bear for sure.
Really? I feel like Big Bear was more like scenic though. So like more scenic, I think, but
Yeah.
a little less
was a little more technical, but there were
yeah.
some technical parts here too.
There was.
It's still pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool, pretty cool. What about you, Griffin? What'd you think of Big Bear? What'd you think of Big Bear?
I think we're gonna come back.
I think so too. Well guys, let me know what your favorite part was. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.